Hi guys, and today we're gonna be doing a penguin. The finished product looks like this. So the start of this. So oh, stop. Okay, the first start we're going to be doing, like the pen I use. It's not really. It's gonna be a short video today. So I'm using a pencil. You can get these at Walmart, any really dollar store, any of those. So it's a pencil. Now the way you know it's these kinds is that it will be a gripper and it will be all black and it'll be a big gripper right here. And it's pretty much everywhere at dollar stores and everything. And the better your spring is, the farther it's going to shoot. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to be doing is getting a spring. Any type of spring will work, but it has to be about that big. And now widen. And the bigger it is, the better. I can use 2 springs if I want to. Alright, so get the spring and you put it in. Pretty much you're done, but you gotta press it. And to press it, it'll take a little bit to get hooked around the spring. So keep this pressed. And if you have some kind of soft space, you get it. See, I have a wall right here. I do what y'all can see. This one first. See? I broke it. Alright. Now. Put it in. Mine's gonna be a little bit hard to do because I just broke it in. See that? And shoot, you just hold it, and then try to shoot it at y'all. Foul. Wait. Foul. Ha! Look, it got stuck in this right here. See? Right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. No, y'all can't see it right now. See, it's right there. Right there. Okay. That's it for the video today, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. Thank you. Bye.